Cruise and Travel News, Friday the 12th of June, 2026. Good morning, this is Bruce with Lap of Luxury Travel bringing you today's cruise and travel news. Our top story today comes from Holland America Line. The Zaandam has now seen a second sailing impacted by ongoing propulsion repairs. After suffering significant propulsion issues during its Alaska season, repairs are wrapping up in Vancouver, but the delayed start forced major changes to the June 10 sailing. Holland America has compensated affected guests with a 50% refund along with a future cruise credit. At this time, it remains unclear whether additional sailings will be impacted. In Celebrity Cruises news, the cruise line has canceled the 12th of August 2027 sailing of Celebrity Equinox in order to accommodate a full ship private charter. Guests were given the option to transfer to another sailing or receive a full refund. While passengers are often disappointed when these situations occur, charter sailings remain highly profitable for cruise lines and continue to be an important part of the industry. Luxury cruise news takes us to Vancouver, where the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection's Luminara has made its inaugural call. The arrival marks the first ultra-luxury cruise vessel to visit Canada Place under the new program and is the first of 9 scheduled calls during the 2026 Alaska season. Over at Disney Cruise Line, guests can still decorate their cabin doors, but the cruise line is now banning decorations that extend into hallways. Disney says some corridor displays had become so elaborate they created obstacles for wheelchairs, strollers, and emergency access. Decorations such as streamers, lights, and hallway displays are no longer permitted, and guests who damage cabin doors could face fines. And finally, in airline news, Delta Airlines is setting its sights on expanding across the Pacific. Delta executives say international travel is becoming increasingly important to the airline's future growth strategy, and the carrier wants a much larger presence in the Pacific market, where United Airlines currently operates a significantly larger network. Bottom line, cruise lines continue adjusting itineraries and operations while luxury cruising keeps expanding, and airlines are increasingly focused on international growth as travel demand remains strong. For help planning your next cruise, river cruise, tour, or luxury vacation, call Bruce or Melissa at 800-462-6807 or visit www.lapofluxurytravel.com. No planning fees, no upfront costs, full platinum concierge service, and trip overwatch from start to finish, because ordinary isn't an option.